Hi again, Mullenites. I hope you're all doing really well. Looks like we're set for another big day with the stock, but let's have a bit of a recap. So obviously yesterday was another volatile day for Mullen Automotive, as it gained 3.5 cents, climbing by 24% to close Wednesday's session at 18 cents per share. While this might seem like a promising movement for a stock that has been struggling, I would argue that the jump was largely driven by speculation rather than any significant news catalyst. Despite the rally, there's still an underlying air of caution surrounding Mullen, especially with the special shareholder meeting looming this afternoon, where key decisions like a potential reverse stock split and adjustments to board compensation will be addressed. Speaking of news catalysts, Mullen did put out a notable update regarding their majority-owned subsidiary Bollinger Motors. Bollinger has announced that Affinity Truck Center, a long-established dealership in California's Central Valley, has officially joined their roster of dealers. Affinity is also certified under California's Hybrid and Zero Emissions Truck and Bus Voucher Incentive Program, or HVIP, which is significant because it opens up further opportunities for Bollinger's commercial EV trucks in a key region known for strict emission standards. So why is this partnership important? Affinity Truck Center has been serving the Central Valley since 1980 and has built strong relationships with local businesses, especially in the trucking and fleet industries. The dealership's reach, combined with Bollinger's innovative B4 chassis cab, creates a strategic foothold for Bollinger Motors in one of the most critical markets for electrification and sustainability. Now let's talk a little bit about the Bollinger B4 for a moment. It's an all-electric Class 4 commercial truck designed with input from fleet operators and upfitters, making it highly specialized for the commercial market. The truck's unique design protects the 158 kilowatt-hour battery pack, ensuring safety and reliability, and the company is set to begin serial production of the B4 on September 16. So that's coming up next week. By October 2024, the first deliveries to customers will commence. These developments are key milestones for Bollinger, which continues to gain traction in the commercial EV space and has been very much kind of like, I guess, this sort of silver lining for what's been going on for Mullen Automotive is that the operations, particularly of Bollinger, have been going quite well. Anyway, despite the positive news from Bollinger, Mullen's stock remains under immense pressure. The broader market seems focused not on these promising business updates, but rather on the upcoming shareholder meeting, where the reverse stock split and proposal and executive compensation adjustments will be put to vote. It's important to remember that Mullen has been in a precarious position, trading below $1 for nearly 30 days, which threatens its continued listing on the Nasdaq, given all the splits they've done in the past. These issues, combined with recent equity raises, have left many investors wary of the stock's long-term viability. Even with news like yesterday's announcement about Bollinger's partnership with Affinity, the market skepticism about Mullen's overall future cannot be ignored. While Bollinger's growth in the commercial EV sector is a bright spot, it may not be enough to offset the broader challenges Mullen is facing, including stock dilution, potential reverse splits, and ongoing losses. I've said it before that I think that this reverse split will go ahead because I do believe most of the stock is held by the institutions which are making big money off the notes and warrants that they hold. And therefore, I don't think the little guy is going to have much of a say in this. And, if they don't get the reverse stock split, the other hard side of the coin is that they go over the counter, so it's not good. So in the short term, we could see more speculative movements as traders react to news and developments. However, without a substantial improvement in Mullen's financial outlook, any rallies like the one we saw today are likely to be short-lived. As we move closer to the special shareholder meeting, it's clear that the future of Mullen Automotive remains uncertain and the stock continues to be a highly speculative play. Only time will tell if the company can regain the market's confidence or if this is just another temporary bump on its downward trajectory. It's a really interesting case because operationally, Mullens seems to be acting like a company that, nothing is wrong, but the stock tells a very different story, and especially when you dig into the finances of the company. Anyway, as always, share your thoughts on Mullen Automotive and what do you think is going to happen with this special shareholder meeting. Do you believe there will be a reverse stock split, and what's the ratio you're expecting? Share it in the comments below. Always look forward to hearing from you guys, and until next time, may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.